Hello and welcome back. One question of 2021 was left. Let's attempt that. In the exponential growth equation, E is the base of natural logarithm. This is the answer. Please make a note of all equations and by heart everything which the equation denotes. Okay. Statement 1 says, decomposition is a process in which the detritus is degraded into simpler substances by microbes. Correct. Second statement says, decomposition is faster if the detritus is rich in lignin and chitin. This is wrong. Statement 1 is correct, 2 is incorrect. So let's revise this topic of decomposition. Decomposition has 5 different steps. Fragmentation, as the name suggests, big chunks are broken down into fragments. The key player is earthworm. It is also called farmer's friend. Okay, and it comes in the category of detritivores. What is detritus? It is the dead remains of either plant or animal. There was one question designed on this also. So you should be absolutely clear what is detritus. Okay, so bark, flower, leaves, anything which is shed off from plant becomes the detritus. Animal, the whole animal body or the fecal matter that constitute detritus. In this question, the decomposition rate was asked. What makes the decomposition rate faster? So decomposition rate, it becomes faster if the detritus is rich in nitrogen and water soluble substances like sugars. It also becomes faster if the conditions are warm, moist and oxygen rich. And what slows down? The lignin and chitin presence in detritus, it slows down. And also cold and dry conditions and anaerobic conditions, it slows down decomposition rate. So second point in decomposition is leaching. Water soluble inorganic nutrients, they go down into the soil and gets precipitated as unavailable salts. Third aspect of decomposition is catabolism. So actual decomposition, metabolic decomposition begins here. Bacteria and fungi, they degrade detritus into simple inorganic substances. Fourth aspect of decomposition is humification, formation of humus. Humus is dark colored amorphous colloidal substance. It is highly resistant to microbial action, slowly degrades, but it eventually degrades, and that process is called mineralization. Humus is finally degraded and the inorganic nutrients are released.